Hello guys, you know what?
I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours.
Let's begin with the law of indices.
The first formula is a to the power of m times a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. Second, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m minus n. Third, a to the power of m parenthesis to the power of n equal to a to the power of m times n. Fourth, a to the power of 1 over n equal to n to the power of the root a. Fifth, a to the power of m over n equal to a to the power of m parenthesis to the power of 1 over n is equal to a to the power of 1 over n parenthesis to the power of m. Sixth, a to the power of negative n equal to 1 over a to the power of n. Seventh, ab parenthesis to the power of n equal to a to the power of n b to the power of n. Lastly, a over b parenthesis to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n over b to the power of b to the power of n.
I spy with my little eye a girlie I can get cause she don't get too many likes.
Given that y is equal to 2 power of 2x, find the value of x in each of the following. For question A, 2 power of 2x plus 1 plus 4 power of x negative 1 is equal to 18. We will change it into form like this, and as we can see, y is equal to 2 power of 2x, so we can change this 2 power of 2x into y, so we can change it like this. After we change it, we should do it like usual, and voila, done. So to find x, as we can see, y is equal to 8, so change this y into 8. We change the 8 into 2 power of 3, then do it as usual. So x is equal to 3 over 2.
Mama told me not to sell work 17.5 cents.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we are going to solve b, which is 8 to the power of 2x over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 4 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 48. So first, kita kena samakan base 8 dengan 4. 8 dengan 4 ni, dia ada dalam base kalau benda tu nombor base tu 2. Which is 8 tu equal dengan 2 to the power of 3 dengan 4 tu equal dengan 2 to the power of 2. Lepas tu 3 2 to the power of 3, 3 ni sama dengan yang kanan ni, so dia boleh potong. Lepas tu expansion biasa, so nanti jadi macam ni, 2 to the power of 2x plus 1, lepas tu 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 sebab dia darab. Lepas tu kita boleh factorizekan benda ni sebab kalau dia ada base, dia ada indices, kalau base dia sama, dia darab, dia punya indices jadi tambah, which is 2 to the power of 2x darab dengan 2 to the power of 1, indices dia akan tambah, which is form atas ni. Kita factorizekan supaya dapat benda ni. So sama juga dengan benda ni, kita factorizekan, so dia jadi macam ni. So dia dah bagi sebenarnya y tu equals to 2 to the power of 2x. So kita boleh substitutekan 2 to the power of 2x ni menjadi y. So dia akan jadi y darab dengan 2 tambah y darab dengan 4 sama dengan 48. So now we got 2y plus 4y is equal to 48. So y tu sebenarnya 8. Lepas tu kita dah ada y equals to 8 dengan y equals to 2 power of 2x. So kita boleh substitute je y equals to 8 ni ke dalam given tadi tu. So sebenarnya 8 is equal to 2 power of 2x And kita kena samakan base supaya senang nak kira dia punya indices dia. So 8 tu sebenarnya 2 to the power of 3. So sini sebenarnya kita dah nampak dia dah sama base. So kita bolehlah kira indices dia, which is 3 dengan 2x. So equalkan 3 is equal to 2x and x is actually 3/2. Dan thank you so much.